So our overall run is over 19 foot 8 inches. So we're going to cut this about a foot longer than that after we join two pieces together. And then we'll have, once we join them, we'll have one long piece that we can get this out of with a real nice miter. He's cutting a 45 on that, which is the pitch of the roof. All right.
How long is this piece need to be?
This piece needed to be 14 foot 8 inches long, so that when we put this two together here, we get 20 foot 8. So when I hook the long point here, "20 foot 8 inches on the money, my dude." So now we're going to join these two together. I'm just going to hang this off the edge here so I can work with it. All right, so I'm going to put probably 4 screws in here. I might put a 5th one in here just because. That's a little. And I'm just guesstimating about where that one is. Not bad. I just want to spread everything out here. And I'm going to try and get one side to match up real nice and pretty and get a clamp on it. And feels pretty good on the front. Okay, so now I'm just going to start putting screws in it. Once I get this thing halfway attached, I'm going to try and get to the other side. All right, I'm going to put this a little forward just so I can feel that face on the edge. It feels pretty good. And get this one in there as far as I can. All right, I think I got it that time. These are 1¼ inch Craig Blue Coat exterior screws. There's the packaging right there. Could you hand that to me? Indoor, outdoor. We use these specifically for outdoor so they don't rust. The screws are really just there to keep it honest until the glue dries. All right, that's that. Done with these. And it's pretty good. What do you think? So let's peel some of this back. And this, I'm not sure about the Christie's glue, but most of these glues you can clean up with a little bit of acetone. I think there's a can of acetone in here. And try and clean this up. Now these have wood grain, so I'm not going to get perfect smooth, but it's real nice on the back side. I'm going with the grain to try and get down in there.